So down here we have the center console with the BMW, and here is your different driving modes. You have Comfort, Sport and Eco Pro. Comfort is going to be the standard mode the car starts in. Sport is going to stiffen up your suspension and make your throttle response more instantaneous, and then Eco Pro is going to cut the cylinders in half in the car that it's running on. It's going to feel a bit more sluggish, but the car will be driving as economically as it can. Down here you have iDrive mode, so you can select whether the car is driving in full electric mode, hybrid, which is in between, or solely petrol engine. Button below there will be your parking sensors. You can turn these on and off without being in reverse. So this is the gear selector for the BMW. It's pretty straightforward, but you have the button on the right to select which gear to go into. So you hold that down, push it down, and you're now in drive. Hold it down again to go up to neutral and to go into reverse. Once you're in drive, you can push it to the left and you're now into the sports gears or manual gears. If you want to go into manual, you just push up and down. Up would be to go down a gear, down would be to go up a gear, and then straight back over, you're back in drive. Once you stop the car, press P up the top and the car is now parked and you're ready to leave the vehicle. So this is the iDrive controller on the BMW. You have your main menu here, your media to select from radio, DAB radio, your phone or a Bluetooth device. You have map over here, which will take you straight to the map on the iDrive screen. Navigation would take you to where you can input an address or a destination you want to go to. And then computer over here, or communication, would be where you can select a contact to call or input a number you want to call from there. This is going to be your main device to go through the iDrive system. This you can also draw on when you're phoning a number or inputting in a destination, and it can also be turned, pushed to the side and pressed down. Down the bottom you have a shortcut to your options screen where you can choose the settings for the car, and then back here will take you back to the main menu whenever you press it.